A severe thunderstorm dropped golf ball-sized hail Friday afternoon in Pondera County. It damaged homes, vehicles, and fields.
MTN's Elizabeth Transu spoke with people in Valier about what they heard and saw.
Monday's average high in Valier, 74 degrees.
They can change in a second.
But as most Montanans seem to know,
very unpredictable, but nothing like this.
the weather can change any minute.
I've never ever witnessed a storm like this in Valier.
Pondera, Teton, and Cascade counties were under a severe thunderstorm warning for much of Friday. Wind reports were up to 50 miles per hour, but it was the hail that did the damage.
It was golf ball size at the least.
She's got a ball pit with balls roughly like this, and I put them next to it, and they were almost the same size.
But now it's time for damage control.
After the storm, you've seen the townspeople coming out and surveying the damage, and people driving around helping each other, board up windows and doing what they can to help each other.
And time to prepare for whatever weather will come next.
And everybody's just kind of lost, like it happened so fast and so devastating that just kind of in shock.
In Valier, Elizabeth Transu, MTN News.